Apple's new Journal app allows iPhone users to reflect on their day and memories, complete with text, photos, music, audio recordings, and more. The app provides personalized suggestions based on recent on-device activity. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are equipped with a customizable action button that replaces the traditional mute switch on previous iPhones. By default, the button is set to toggle between ring and silent modes, but it can also be assigned to a different action for quick access to the camera, flashlight, voice memos, and more. Starting with iOS 17.2, the action button can now be assigned to the Translate app for quick access to language translation in the dynamic island. Starting with iOS 17.2, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max can record spatial video with 3D depth for playback on Apple's upcoming Vision Pro headset. When held in landscape orientation, the iPhone's main and ultra-wide cameras combine to record 3D video. The feature can be toggled on in the Settings app under Camera, Formats, and when it is, an extra button to record spatial video appears in the Video section of the Camera app. Spatial videos are recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and Apple says the iPhone needs to be in landscape orientation and stabilized for the best results. Apple says the toggle will be turned on automatically for future Vision Pro owners. In the Settings app under Sounds and Haptics, you can now change the sound and haptic feedback pattern for default alerts, notifications. Prior to iOS 17.2, only text, voicemail, mail, calendar, and reminder alerts had customization options. There are new home screen and lock screen widget options for the weather and clock apps on iOS 17.2. The new weather options include daily forecast and sunrise and sunset, while the clock app now offers a digital clock widget. In the music app on iOS 17.1 and later, you can favorite songs by tapping the star icon to receive improved recommendations. Starting with iOS 17.2, favorited songs are also added to a new favorite songs playlist. Tired of your kids or someone else messing up your Apple Music recommendations while they are borrowing your iPhone to listen to music? iOS 17.2 includes a new focus filter for Apple Music listening history that addresses this problem. When this filter is toggled on, the other person's song choices won't affect your recommendations. iMessage Contact Key Verification allow users who face extraordinary digital threats, such as journalists, human rights activists, and government officials, to further verify that they are messaging only with the people they intend. In conversations between users who have enabled iMessage Contact Key Verification, users are alerted if a state-sponsored attacker or other malicious actor were ever to succeed breaching cloud servers and inserting their own device to eavesdrop on the conversation. As an additional layer of security, iMessage Contact Key Verification users are able to compare a contact verification code in person, on FaceTime, or through another secure call to further verify they are communicating only with whom they intend. Apple added a body section for Memoji, allowing users to customize their Memoji character's waist, bust, shoulders, and arms. Thanks for watching.